What's up with y'all, man? Hope y'all doing well. Had a great weekend. The week has already started, so do what you got to do. Get yourself together. Drink some water. Drink some coffee. Black coffee. Black tea. Green tea. Um, the matcha lovers out there, feel free. You know what I'm saying? Do what you got to do. Whatever that is. Meditate. Do 10 jumping jacks. 5 pull-ups. Feel free. But the week is already here. It's among us, and we're ready for it. We're always ready for it. Always here on Sunday. We don't get ready on Monday. We get ready on Sunday because everybody else gets ready on Monday. You know what I'm saying? We ahead of the curve, getting straight at it, and just prepared overall. But this is just another week. We're gonna keep doing these, keep the consistency up on these videos, and simply what this is a breakdown of my 4 pairs. I've been training these pairs for forever, and I just love these pairs. So, we're just about to get right into it. Just gonna break these down in the way that I do it in my fashion. I trade, you know what I'm saying, in my style. Yo, you look, you look good. You look so good right now. But hey, let me chill. Serious mode. Let's get straight into this. So, first pair is USDJPY. Love this pair. Slowly becoming probably my top one, top two within the lineup alongside gold. But last week, I'm so, like, right now, I am bricked on the fact that I missed out on this crazy opportunity. Did I miss? Yeah, I missed out. So let me tell you guys real quick. So last week, this is the setup that I got in. Mind you, I got in down here on, when was that? It was like Monday or Tuesday. I don't know why I thought it was on Monday, but yo, I caught this move all the way down here, right? And I learned something valuable, and it's more of a reminder, but the trader with the most patience and the highest tolerance for certain movements and specifically consolidation periods, they will make the most money. I mean, it's simple as that. And like I said, that was a crazy reminder this past week where I got into this move, but I was so fed up, I was irritated, and yeah, I was just ultimately irritated with the fact that price was consolidating after getting in, and it made a nice little move, consolidated, came all the way back down, consolidated more. Ultimately, I moved stops up, got stopped out. I was up 1,000 at one point, ended up losing $200. Stupid when it comes to my trade management. Horrible. But I haven't traded in 3 months, so let me get myself back in, get back into the game, ease myself back in, and immerse myself with my rules. Now I effed that one up. Didn't follow my rules to a T, but that one, it is what it is. We're on to the next move, on to the next week. So price, as you can see, went all the way up here, and I knew it was coming. But my ultimate target was, I think it was right here. So I had a fib from, and I honestly have multiple fibs, but the most recent one, which I think this one is already hit, point A, that's pretty much hit. I think I had a longer term fib, yes, from point A, point B, point C, like that. And we have the negative 27 right here. So ultimately, yes, I do see it heading all the way up there. But we do have to acknowledge that we are right here in this previous area of resistance where price has rejected it once and twice, but right now we have a lot of volume going to the upside, so let's just see if we can carry on with that. We also have exhaustion on the bottom, also have the fact that it's creating continual higher lows above the previous lows, so I'm liking it. I can definitely see it keep pushing. Of course, if it keeps breaking these previous highs and creating higher lows, I'm with it. I spent a lot of time on UJ. EJ last week was also a reminder to the fact that these two are heavily correlated. Whatever UJ is going to do, whatever EJ is going to do, it's going to impact one another, and it's usually going to do the same thing. As we saw in UJ, bullish, EJ, bullish. And I should have paid attention to this, but the fact that EJ started off pretty bearish last week, which is why, and it kind of explains the consolidation period that I was going through. It wasn't ready to erupt until it was ready to erupt. And once we saw that on EJ, once we saw it on UJ, everything correlated. Everything made sense. So now what we're seeing here, I drew this area of support, seeing if price would break it or could respect it, which it did respect it, broke structure, broke all of these highs, and it's heading to the upside. So this goes with my daily confirmation. I mean, I was looking at this last week, noticed that we had a previous area of resistance, now playing as an area of support. We could also draw a fib here, and honestly, I would draw it. Yeah, I would draw it here. Just kind of modify it to today's whereabouts. So I mean, this is clean 78.6. I could definitely see it hitting the negative 27, and I hope this does correlate. And yeah, it should correlate with UJ as well with that TP. So yeah, I'm liking the look of things right here. Yeah, we're just gonna aim for it. Don't mind the consolidation, the minor movements. Ultimately, we're going to head to that negative 27. So stay tuned to that. GU. We have a break of structure. Price heading all the way down here, breaking this area of support. I thought it was going to respect it. Didn't do that. Broke the moving averages as well. So let's go to the daily time frame real quick. And I do need to clear a lot of this up. This is a lot going on. Let's take some of this off. So yeah, it's even clear on the daily that these lows are broken and price is trying to move towards the downside, which, okay, cool. It is what it is. Let me look at that daily one more time. Sometimes you look at things on the 4 hour certain way, and then the daily is a little different. See, on the daily, we do see the area of structure broken, but at the same time, it's kind of keeping that bullish sentiment overall. But I mean, it's very important that we keep in mind looking on the hourly, looking on the 4 hour, seeing how these areas are maintained. This is right now an area of resistance, which obviously is being respected. So we're just gonna have to see. Gauge this on the lower time frames. I wouldn't be surprised if this does continually head to the downside, probably around here. That will be my first aim for this pair. So let's just look forward to that and just gauging that. Gold, big move on Friday, which another missed opportunity. It was moving so fast Thursday night. I was trying to catch these longs right here. No, these longs. It moved so fast. I was trying to get myself together, trying to get my entries, trying to get my lot size. That thing was already pushing. And I knew it was too late because that's how gold is. If you're late, you're late. That thing is going to keep going, which it did. But yeah, it went crazy. I had a demo account. I got in on Monday, and yeah, man, I ended up profiting 40,000. Like I said, a demo account. But I mean, it's cool. It's cool. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick. Not that it matters that much, but I mean, we gotta show it because 44. Y'all see it? So I'm just trying to make some money with the demo accounts, with the live accounts, and with the funded accounts all the way across. So I mean, that's the breakdown. Gold, I mean, as of right now, it's rocked. It's bricked. I don't see it coming down as of now. I mean, if we get a break of like this higher low, that would be different, but I see it continuously going solidly above the moving averages as well. I mean, just strong on structure. I like it. Continue to go bullish, ultimately hitting the negative 61.8 TP2. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all next Sunday. Just have a good trading week, and don't forget to wipe. I'm gonna leave it like that, and that's a fact.